Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, so so yeah, this is part three of the play. Okay, uh, oh my god, screaming, but uh, bro, oh my god, bro, please, okay, aside, your song is so fire. I mean, I mean, burn down. Get it? I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. But ignore that, ignore that. I don't know what to say. Like, we can get a story here. Okay. So, one time, there was, there were, there was this girl named Sarah. She's my class, and, she's very dumb, okay? She's very dumb, okay? And, bro's trying to fool me, always in class. If I wasn't even focusing, he just smacked my head. So I have enough. Yeah, he's very, very, very dumb. Very, very, very dumb. Very, very dumb. Like, I mean, not very dumb. Okay, she got a 92 in her report card and 92 and 94 or 91. For me, I got 97. Like, it's so easy, bro. I'm, I'm grade, I'm grade 3. Yeah, I'm 8 years old. Don't make fun about me, but my dream is is to be a big YouTuber, a Roblox YouTuber. Yeah, that's my dream. But back to the story. Yeah, he was not very daunting, but he he did get like second place. Me, especially on first place. You know what? You know what? Yeah, she really is very dumb. It's very dumb. That's her account. So make uh, friend her, Jay. Friend like or and pattern. Very 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 stupid. That's her account right there. So I have enough of them. Okay. You know what? My brain thinks. You know what? This is enough. I'm gonna start them fooling around. Okay, so basically, I'm trying to do this. So a story thing. Okay, okay. Number uh, the print. Okay. My teacher, my teacher told her to to uh to, to answer what's 7 times 3 is. Bro, it's easy. It's 21. It's 21. And she is literally bi- like like using her fingers. Like that's so easy. It's 21. It's 21, bro. And I was trying to trick her. That means to say it's 24. It's 24. Yeah, he got wrong. And I started feeling. One day, that day, he trying to trick me. My 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 teacher moved me to the to the third to the third seat. The third seat. The third seat. Third row. And I was back at her. I was in front of her. Okay, she could literally fool me around. So I kept my eyes open. And guess what? I heard what is saying. Okay, okay. She said, okay, I want to, I want to, I want you to stole his bag. He's telling me, okay, Elise. Yeah. She's the class president. She's the president. But I heard that. Okay, I heard that. I'm sleepy. Yeah, I'm sleepy. But I heard that. So I was trying to make a plan with my tallest friend in class. His name is Gab. Yeah. And today is birthday too. So happy birthday, Gab. Yeah. I'm coming to a party in the evening. Yeah, at 6 p.m. Yeah, I'm coming to a house. So yeah. And I I actually I ac- my 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 Gab friend tell we should we should he has a like a water, and he poured the water in 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 Sarah's bag. And when she stole my bag, the ultimate revenge ever. Yeah, good luck, man. Yeah, she was like, oh no, my bag! She trying to stole my. I think I went too far in that. I think Gab went too far. You know, I think Gab went too far. Now now she started telling the teacher, uh, Gab and Lantis. That's my name. She tryna tell me the teacher. He's the teacher's pet. Okay, so we are close. But when when I tell when Gab tell the teacher, oh, she stole she stole Lantis' bag. She stole Lantis' bag. So like so you know so Gab the so teacher yell at the teacher's pet for the first time. I think that's the first time. That's the first time, bro. First time. Teacher yelled to the teacher's pet. Yeah, yeah, guess what? She got we didn't get yelled because God said, oh, he was lying because because you know because Shannon stole level 5 into 1.4 region. But yeah, we redemption. Haha, that's what the best actually. That was in grade 2. That was in grade 2. Yeah, in grade 2. That was in grade 2 too. But then, he started to friendly, being friends. I mean, yeah. Yeah, that's why we backfired. That's what you get, Sarah. Mm. Oh my god, this next bot is getting too close. I'm a pickery. Boom, face reveal. I'm a picker. Boom, face reveal. I'm a picker. What do you think about that? Boom, face reveal. I'm a picker. What do you think about that? Is that Michael Jackson or something? I'll pick hooray, bro. Yeah, and she started to like me now. Hey yo though. Yeah, I was not like me. I mean, she's the prettiest girl in class, and I don't care. I don't care, bro. Bro, even my other classmate like crushing her, but but she's the third tallest in the class, and me, I was the second tallest in the class. My dad, my my friend dad is the tallest in the class. Yup. Yup. Yeah, I don't know why. She's so pretty, but she's the prettiest girl in class. But I don't care if she's the prettiest girl in class. Like, I don't even care. I don't even freaking care. Yeah, my other classmate's trying to crush her, but he doesn't. He doesn't wanna crush my other classmate. Bro, just find somebody, not me. I know I'm handsome, bro, but nah, bro. But please, bro, this nigga, bro, this simping. When I when I go to my locker, I'm just talking to her friend Elise. Yeah, he's trying to look at me now. What? You're a freaking weak, okay? Even though she, even though she's my like, close friend. Even though she's my like worst nightmare. But nah, bro, stop simping me. I mean, she's the hottest in the class. Song. Some, some kind of like raised him her up, but their ways was not as good. So he refused to but he's tempting? Heck no! Oh yeah, that's gonna be today. Bye bye.